Today I'm going to be talking about what's going on with stimulus, unemployment, the debit cards, and a lot. So stay tuned. My name is Ana Lantigua, and I'm a CPA for over 20 years, and they call me the Tax Chica. In this channel, I talk about finance, economy, taxes, and everything in between. Well, the first thing I'm going to be talking about is the first $1,200 on the CARES Act. A lot of people still have not received that $1,200. And what could possibly be going on? Well, one of the things that is going on is that a lot of people did get a debit card, but they thought it was junk mail and they threw that debit card in the trash. So you might have been one of those people if you haven't received your $1,200. Even if the IRS had your bank account information, they mailed checks and debit cards because they were trying a pilot program. So if you're one of those people that haven't received the $1,200, you might want to try calling the following number. And that number is 1-800-240-8100. Again, that number is 1-800-240-8100. And that is for the debit card that was mailed. Now, not everyone received that debit card, but there is a lot of people that haven't received their first stimulus check of $1,200. Now, if you earned over $75,000 or you were claimed as a dependent on someone else's tax return and you're older than 17 years old, unfortunately, you don't qualify for the $1,200. But a lot of people qualify for the $1,200 and they haven't received it. Now, if you, even homeless people qualify for this $1,200. All you need to do is go to the IRS website and enter your information on the non-filer link, which I am going to put in the description below. So if you haven't filed a tax return, make sure that you go to the non-filer section of the IRS website and enter your information. Now, the other item that I want to discuss is what's being discussed about a Fed account. A Fed account that is being thrown out there is where the government establishes an account for you so that they can send stimulus. That will create a faster turnaround for you to get the stimulus. So that Fed account is still not being done. It's just an idea that they're throwing around. Now, another thing that right now is going on is, stimulus for rent, utilities, and food. Where is this money coming from? This money is coming from the CARES Act. So if you need help with rent, your mortgage, food, utilities, listen, because right after this commercial, I will be telling you how you can get more money for those things. One of the things I want you to understand is that there is definitely a lot of money out there, but you're going to need to provide some documentation. So if you are a small business that wants to get more money under the CARES Act, the counties have grants that are giving sometimes $2,000, $5,000, but you're going to need certain documentation. Tax Chica, what is that documentation? You're going to need to have your business license. You're going to have to complete Form W-9. And Tax Chica, how do I complete Form W-9? Don't worry, I got you covered. I made a video on how to complete the Form W-9, and I'm going to put the link below so that you don't have to go fetching for it, okay? And the video looks just like this. It's gonna pop up somewhere on this screen so that you know what the thumbnail looks like. So remember, you're gonna need your business license and you're going to have to complete Form W-9 in order to apply for these grants. So if you're a small business, don't leave that money on the table. And remember, if you own a rental property, it's considered a business and there might be money for you. So don't forget, you need your business license and you need to complete Form W-9, but I got you covered. The form is on the bottom. Well, if this is the first time that you are in this channel, welcome. Please press that red button and subscribe and thumbs up if you find this information useful. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Well, now I'm going to be talking about the stimulus money that is given to the different states. Just like all those people that haven't received the $1,200, the states just started receiving the stimulus money that was under the CARES Act. And this stimulus money is being divided within the state to different counties, but the state has some requirements. You might be in a county that didn't get stimulus money, but you have to check the area. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to put the county name and then the word CARES, CARES, right on Google. And that should bring you to the website that your county has established for the funding. There is funding for rent, for small businesses, for mortgage. So go to the website. For example, in Florida, in Orange County, you would write Orange CARES, and that will give you the website where you can go and apply for rent stimulus, and also if you're a small business. People, you have to try it. Now, Osceola County is one of the counties in my area. However, Osceola County did not get any stimulus money in the first act. It just didn't meet the cut. But if you're in Polk County, well, guess what? Polk County did get stimulus. So you're going to type POLK CARES, and you will find the stimulus there. People, if you own a house and you're renting it, it's considered a business. Go and apply because there is money. So it doesn't matter what county you're in, type the name of the county and then the word CARES, and the stimulus may come. Another thing that you can do is go to Facebook, find the county page, and see what information is there. So please don't leave that money on the table because there is a lot of money for rent right now. People in West Palm Beach, there is money for rent, utilities, mortgage. Please go and check it out. My people in Miami, there is money. Put your county and the word CARES. And this is going on all over the country. Please don't leave that money on the table. Please do not lose your home. There is money and there is assistance. However, if you don't know what to do or you don't own a computer, dial right now 211 on your phone, and that line will connect you with assistance in your area. So please do that. If you're here, it's because you want to know about assistance in your area. So 211 will connect you with assistance in your area. The topic right now. What is going to happen with the $600 stimulus that is there? I'm getting calls from people saying, "Hey, Tax Chica, I hear that I have to pay this money back. What is going on with this $600? Do I have to pay it back?" No, it's not that you have to pay it back. What's going on is that money is taxable, and a lot of people are not having the required withholding. You must fill out form W4V, like voucher, and send it to the state unemployment office so that they can do the proper withholding for that $600. So it is taxable. It's going to affect people that get insurance through the marketplace, and that is really what's being talked about. I have not found anything that says that you have to pay the money back. It's going to be considered unemployment. In January of 2020, you will get Form 1099-G from the government, and you must report that as income. And what's really happening is there's over like 43 million people on unemployment right now. And the $600, it is a demotivator for those people to go back to work. But the Congress understands that there must be some stimulus. So there is some talk about another stimulus bill for the people that will include something for unemployment. But the number that they're throwing around is between $250 and $300. So my people, just be patient, because if that passes, that is going to be in August. But there is definitely talk. And the talk also talks about a tax holiday, vacation holiday, tax credit. They're talking about liability credit for people that are can be sued, like doctors and so forth. So they're really talking about those things. The Republicans are talking about things that have to do with the tax, vacation tax credit, the tax holiday, and so forth. And the Democrats are talking about more money and more stimulus for the people. So the two are talking on different things. But remember, politics is a negotiation. So it's just going to take time. I know you're looking for money right now, this second, in your pocket. However, unfortunately, it's not gonna happen right now. There is a lot of money, but that money is for rent and utilities and food. So I hope you found this information useful. Please give it a like if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't. And from the bottom of my heart, it gives me great joy that you're here, and I send you a kiss.